Welcome to the realm of possibilities where technology meets imagination. Today we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of deep learning, a technology that's reshaping our world. Whether you're a budding enthusiast or a curious mind, this tutorial is your gateway to understanding deep learning from the ground up. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, is all about teaching computers to learn from data, much like we learn from our experiences. It's the brain behind the machine, enabling it to recognize patterns, make decisions, and even predict the future. At the heart of deep learning are neural networks inspired by the human brain. Imagine layers of neurons, each layer learning to recognize increasingly complex features, from simple edges in an image to the intricate details of a human face. Let's dive into the practical side. We'll start with setting up your deep learning environment. You'll learn about the tools and frameworks that empower you to bring your models to life. From TensorFlow to PyTorch, we'll guide you through the essentials. It's time to get your hands dirty. We'll walk you through a simple project step by step. You'll learn how to prepare your data, build your model, train it, and finally evaluate its performance. It's not just about theory, it's about making it real. Like any journey, the path to mastering deep learning is filled with challenges. We'll discuss common pitfalls, how to overcome them, and the best practices to keep your learning curve on the ascent. Deep learning is a constantly evolving field. We'll explore the cutting-edge applications transforming industries, from autonomous vehicles to personalized medicine. The future is yours to shape. You've taken your first steps into a larger world. The journey of deep learning is ongoing, and every question you ask, every project you undertake, brings you closer to the frontier of human knowledge and capability. Keep learning, keep exploring, and remember, the future isn't written, it's built, one line of code at a time. Thank you for joining us. Dive deeper, dream bigger, and let your journey in deep learning unfold. Until next time.